Okay, good afternoon, everybody. I'm Ms. Grace de la Cuadra. I'm the current Administrative Officer of Pasig City Science High School. Our group is, kanina name namin, Group 6 lang, simply Group 6. Last minute namin ng BCC. Mamaya na lang namin, mamaya ko explain bakit BCC. Okay, so,
Ay, sige, ano kasi yung case nila?
yung case study na na-assign sa amin is the third one, which is the email invitation. A church worker collected emails of church goers interested to participate in a seminar on alcoholism and drug abuse self-rehabilitation. These seminars are conducted once a month. An email blast was sent displaying all the emails of the persons who were invited or expressed interest. One of the invited seems to be a known celebrity and another seems to be an LGU member. The list is leaked to the press and speculation about the identities becomes a trending topic on Twitter. So yung first who are the stakeholders? So who are the stakeholders? It will be the church goers or the members of the parish,
Okay.
members of the community.
Churchgoers? Sino po?
Next.
Yung lang ang isasama nyo sa PIA? Remember po,
The church worker, kasi the church goers, church worker, members of the sa parish.
okay.
So particularly the church goers at saka yung church worker, the one who collected the email.
So, yun po ang identify nyo as stakeholders on this particular project.
Yes, sir.
Any comment from the attached group? Sa inyo po, sir, ano pong may na-identify po kayong stakeholder for this particular, aside from the church workers and the church goers, did you identify any particular group for this particular case? Wala po? Okay. Kuha tayo ng comment from everyone. Aside from the church workers and the church goers, sino po sa tingin nyo ang pwede pang isama dun sa mga stakeholders if you will conduct a PIA?
Meron ba? Meron pa ba?
The press? Press? Pwede kasi kasama sila dun sa na-mention na kung saan nabigay yung email or nung leakage ng email. Sino ba po? Pwede rin. Pwede rin yung mga celebrities or ano. Yes, ma'am? Pwede rin.
Pero sir, yung kaya hindi na sinabi celebrity and LGU member.
Kasi hindi sila-
Kasi member of the community.
Okay.
Member of the community na sila.
Okay.
Sila lang yung na-mention
As
parang na-describe lang yung isang, yung
Correct.
nalista ka rin sa email.
as a generic. Okay, my point. So, pwede rin. So, aside from that, press, yung mga yon, sino pa po? Service provider ng
Email?
sa email blast, yung service provider lang. Sino pa po? May tayo po ang Twitter, no? Pwede, try. Tanungin natin paano po hindi mangyari ito ulit next time. Ganun po.
Pwedeng topic on Twitter.
Kayo po, pwede. Kasi kayo mag-identify niyan pagdating sa processes po ninyo. Right? Sino pa po? Organizer ng seminar, pwede rin. Ano pa po?
Church worker.
Well,
yeah.
you tend to forget the basics. When you have your processes, you always need to include somebody from your, since an email kayo dyan, at nakita nyo dyan na nagkamali siya ng pag-send ng email, right? Nakalagay siya, displaying the email blast to the person. So, ano yung pinaka-basic dyan na makikita mong naging problema? If that's the case. Nangyari na po ito sa totoong buhay. Have you heard about baka merong miyembro dito. Alam niyo po yung Ashley Madison case? Life is short, have an affair. You don't know that? Sabi ni sir, baka miyembro ka sir, tapos nagtanggal ka na doon.
Oo.
There's this website,
Pinupromote
US-based po siya.
Appear.
Ashley Madison website. Ang motto nila, life is short, have an affair. Ina-encourage nila ang mga tao magkaroon ng extramarital affairs.
Pagkabit.
Ano pong nangyari doon? Na-link po yung website, yung mga ano nila, yung mga clients nila. Ano pong nangyari doon? May mga nagpakamatay dahil dyan. May mga malalaking tao na kasama doon sa list. Saan po nangyari to? Nangyari na rin po to sa US din. Saan? Yung sa clinic ng isang, I think it's an HIV something clinic. Ano pong nangyari? Nag-send din sila, email blast. Email blast, ginawa, sinend, alagay din lahat. When you send emails to people na medyo mga critical, yung mga drug abuse, alcoholism, HIV affected, if your means of communication is through email and you know that you are sending sensitive information, so dapat paano ka mag-send ng email sa kanila?
Alam po niya.
You either BCC it or send it individually. So in that case, dapat kasama dito, huwag niyong kalimutan ang ID niyo. Kung may kasamang computer dyan, dapat may ID kayo. Pag may kasamang may legal implications dyan, don't forget, include your legal, if you have a legal. Or somebody at least who knows the process. So ganun po kayo mag-identify ng stakeholders po ninyo. Okay? So ayan, exercise lang naman po.
Inunahan si Ma'am.
There's no right or wrong answer, but at least you get the point on which kung sino yung mga stakeholders na sana invited, or at least yung may role na magre-represent sa kanila during your PI. Okay? Ayan. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Next.
Next po, yung benefits. The benefits here would be you'll be able to know that there are seminars that will be given by the parish, and you can attend them if they will be giving invitation.
Okay.
That's
So,
the benefit. Kumbaga yung information dissemination.
So, awareness.
Awareness.
Okay. Meron pa po? Tanungin po natin ulit yung yung kabilang grupo. Ano pong benefit na identify nyo, ma'am, sir? Awareness lang din po. Okay? Dito po. Wala, yun lang din. Sa tingin nyo, may makuha tayong benefit dito? Free seminar, okay?
Yun nga.
Kasi kung yun ang magiging benefit lang nito, baka yung nakikita ko na yung impact assessment natin dito, unacceptable na siya. Ano ba po? Anong benefit nung program natin?
Yung...
Not just awareness, of course, but you will be helping those who are alcoholic and yung mga drug dependents. Mostly, you'll be helping them how to cope with their problem. So, yun po yung benefit na isang malaki ko dito. Okay, let's move on.
Next part, sir. What controls?
Okay, so you have now stakeholders, benefits, and then, sorry ma'am.
Key risk pala. Key risk.
Okay, ano po naman ngayon yung nakikita
What
yung mga
are
risk?
The key risks. yung major na key risk that we have seen is that because of the email blast, the whole community will be knowing the email addresses of everybody.
Okay.
Ito yung major key risk na nakita namin.
Okay.
Yung knowledge
So yung
dapat yung information na yun.
So nalaman nila yung
nalaman
email.
ni lahat. Nalaman lahat ng tao.
Okay,
So,
thank you, ma'am.
ang ano po namin kasi when we discussed earlier, pagka ganun na, kasi lumabas to sa part ng yung gays, one invited seems to be a known celebrity. So we were discussing a while ago, siguro meron isang fan doon, alam niya yung email address ng celebrity na yun dahil sinusundan niya probably sa Facebook or sa Twitter kasi nag-a-appear yung mga emails natin sa social media. So, possible na kaya na-identify na celebrity yon. And some of our emails kasi, yung gamit natin, mga email addresses natin, minsan we really use our own names. Diba? Personal names, lalo pag sa work natin, yun ang gamit natin. We use our own names. Pagka naman, sa mga kabataan, ako ay maganda at yahoo.com, pwedeng hindi ma-identify agad. Pero kung tulad nga nung nabanggit, yung isa nalaman na celebrity, kung yung isang member ng community yung maalam sa mga ganyan, possible din na ma-identify nga niya kung sino yung may-ari ng email address na yun. Kahit ang email address na naka-post ay ako ay maganda at yahoo.com.
Okay. Ayan, so malalaman ko ano yung email address mo na because of that one. Anything else? Malalaman mo yung identity ng sino may problem sa alcohol or sa drugs, right? So, more on like your reputational risk din, ano? Anything else sa tingin natin na pwede maging risk dito? Wala na po? Okay, so yung anonymity mo nawawala? Wala na po? Okay, sige. Ano po yung...
What controls?
Okay, based on this one, what do you think are the controls that should be implemented?
What controls would you recommend? Kaya po nabanggit namin yung last part we change our name from simply Group 6 to BCC Group dahil doon sa word na BCC. Kasi yun ang isang way na para ma-control yung problem. When you send emails, don't write all the emails nung sesendan nyo. It's either you send them individually or i-BCC. Actually po mga mama at sir, na yun ko lang din po nalaman yung BCC na yun. Thanks to sir.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Blind carbon copy. Yun yung BCC.
Anything else? Okay, sa inyo sir, may na-identify ba yung controls? Anybody? Okay, just want to remind everyone as well, when we talk about controls, do not forget that may tatlo po tayo doon. You have your physical, you have your organizational, and you have your technical. And BCC, of course, that's your technical. So, having seen the case that we have, sa tingin nyo ano dapat yung mga ibang controls natin when it comes to organizational or physical? May nakikita po ba kayo?
Sir, binanggit na doon sa group namin sa discussion
Yes,
that we just shared. Binanggit namin na siguro the announcement could have been given to the parishioners at the end of the Mass.
Okay.
Halimbawa po na yung kung mag-i-invite lang naman sila ng participants to a seminar on alcoholism drug abuse, self-rehabilitation, they could make an announcement in public.
Okay.
Public announcement.
Instead na
Instead
email na
na
lang.
email.
Okay.
Para kung mayroong interested, yung mga individuals na yun, sila na yung kusang lalapit.
Okay. So,
Maaaring they can go to the office na tingnan nila kung nilang yung tao, malay ba ng ibang tao kung bakit sila nagpunta sa parishioner's office.
different way of registering to the program. Okay, pwede po. Si ma'am, may sinasabi kanina. Yun din. Okay. So, pwede rin po yun, no? And then, one thing siguro, if you take a look at this, you must have organizational, kasama po dyan yung training for your mag-handle
ng email blast.
email blast.
Mhm.
So, ensure that ang iyong staff is well equipped. So, kapag kasama po yan sa titignan, pagdating po sa inyo, pag kina-compliance check kayo, may capacity building po ba kayo when it comes to whatever processes that you are implementing? Yung mga tao bang nilagay nyo doon, they have the capacity or capability to handle those programs. So, hindi pwede na. Ganun po yan. Okay. So, yun po yung mga pwede nating pag-isipan dyan. You always think about organizational. So, syempre, access controls, dapat kaakibat yan. Remember, if you are asking for a lot of information dyan, and these are sensitive information, you ensure that you limit the access to this information to only those who have the authority or capabilities. So, confidential information yan. So, of course, you need to define sino lang yung mga taong may access dyan sa information na yan. Of course, how you will be storing it, those things are some things that you need to take a look into as well. Okay? Alright, sige.
And last part, in our final assessment, we have agreed that it's unacceptable. Sending the email blast
Okay.
is unacceptable.
Alright.
Thank you.
Thank you. Let's give her a round of applause. Thank you, Ma'am Chris.